In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp sprints. By the end, you'll have sprints enabled exactly where you need them, so your team can plan and track work in time-boxed iterations without any confusion. First, open your ClickUp account in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in, look for your profile avatar, typically in the lower left corner of the screen, and click it. From that menu, select Settings. This takes you into the workspace level settings where you control broad features that apply across your environment. Inside Settings, navigate to the section labeled Spaces, then open ClickUps. ClickUps are modular features you can turn on or off to tailor ClickUp to your team's workflow. Find sprints in this list and toggle it on. When you enable it here, you're making the sprints functionality available across your workspace. Be sure to click Save to confirm the change. If you don't save, the toggle won't stick and sprints won't appear later where you expect them. Now return to your home view so you're back at your main dashboard. Next, locate the specific project or space where you want to actually use sprints. This step is important. Enabling sprints at the workspace level makes the feature available, but you still need to turn it on in the exact space where your team will run its sprints. Open that space or project, then look for the three-dot menu, often called the More Options menu. Click those three dots and choose ClickUps from the menu. You'll see a list that looks similar to what you saw in Settings, but this time it applies only to the space you're in. Find Sprint in the list, toggle it on for this space, and click Save. Again, saving locks in your choice so the feature is active where your team works every day. That's all there is to it. You've enabled sprints at the top level so it's available, and you've activated it in the specific space you care about so your team can start planning their iterations right away. If you manage multiple teams or projects, just repeat that last part, opening each space, going to the three-dot menu, selecting ClickUps, and toggling Sprint on, so each team gets exactly what it needs without cluttering other spaces. As a quick tip, once sprints are on in a space, you'll see sprint-related options appear, and you can align them with your team's cadence, whether weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. If you ever need to pause sprinting in a space, come back to the same ClickUps area, toggle it off, and save. You're now set up to manage work with clear time boxes, predictable planning, and better visibility into progress.